In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a post in Skool. First, open your web browser. In the address bar, or your preferred search engine, type Skool and look for the official site. Click the correct result to go to Skool's homepage. If you're already bookmarked or signed in, you can go straight there, but using search is perfectly fine. Next, log in. Enter your account credentials and complete any verification your account requires. Make sure you're signing in with the account that owns the post you want to remove. Deletion options only appear when you have permission to manage that content. If you've forgotten your password, use the secure recovery option on the sign-in page rather than creating a new profile, so your original posts remain attached to you. Once you're in, head to the Community tab. This is where conversations, updates, and member posts live. If you belong to more than one community, confirm you're in the right one before moving on, so you don't hunt for a post in the wrong place. Now, find the specific post you want to delete and click it to open it fully. Scrolling your feed will usually reveal it, but you can also use search or filters within the community to narrow things down by keywords or author. Take a moment to confirm it's the exact post you intend to remove. If there's anything you might need later, copy it now, because deletion is permanent. With the post open, look to the top right corner of the post for the three dots, also known as the ellipsis menu. Click that icon to reveal the post actions. You'll typically see options like Edit, Pin, or Report, and importantly, Delete. Select Delete. If you don't see Delete, you may be viewing a post you don't own or you lack the necessary role. Switch to the correct account or check your permissions. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure. This extra step prevents accidental removals and reminds you that deleting a post can't be undone. If you're confident, click Delete again to permanently remove the post. The post will disappear from the community feed and from its direct link. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page to update your view. And that's it. You opened Skool, logged in, navigated to the Community tab, selected your post, used the three-dot menu, and confirmed the deletion. Keep in mind that removing a post can affect any discussions or resources attached to it, so double-check before you confirm. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your community quickly and confidently.